Hey, buddy. I see you. Oh.
Looks so serious.
He says, I'll make you laugh. Watch this.
It's making everybody else laugh.
He's going to be a comedian.
Well, that'll take after his dad.
Yeah.
I can remember when you'd get up in high school and do those things for different things that were going on, and you'd tell those jokes.
Says, I'm getting sick of them things. I don't know what they are.